we have the many ways to say it, but the most common ones are using lagbhag. Repeat after me the word lagbhag, which talks about approximately, right? We also use a word called kareeb, okay, kareeb, and the third one is koi. So I'm going to stop the sharing, and I'm going to write it down for you so you can follow along with me. So the first one I mentioned was lagbhag, okay. The second one we have is kareeb, kareeb, okay. Kareeb has two different meanings. One is approximation. It also means close. Like if you are close to someone, you will also use like wo mere kareeb hai, right? And the third one I mentioned is koi, okay, koi. What do you think is the differences when all of them are being used? And Hindi speakers, when you talk to them, they use these three words interchangeably. If you want to be a bit more formal, okay, you will talk about kareeb, okay. Imagine if you want to write a news article, or if you're talking about weather reporting, you will end up using kareeb, okay. It's a little bit of a semi-formal when you're talking about lagbhag, or you want to have casual conversation, okay, you will use lagbhag, okay. When you want to be a bit vague, when you don't want to give any precise information, if you want to say like when you talk about like a party, how many people came, right? If you want to be completely vague without giving any, when the focus is not being precise, okay, you can say koi 10 log aaye the, okay, about 10 people came. It's lagbhag, it means approximately, okay, approximately for lagbhag, and you use it when you want to be a neutral sounding, okay. You want to be neutral, the tone will be neutral there when you want to use lagbhag. Lagbhag 10 log aaye, okay, about 10 people came, okay. When you want to use kareeb, kareeb, as most of you mentioned, it's around, okay, around. You use it when you want to be slightly more formal, when you talk about the reports or news or political speeches, or even when you are shopping, right? Kareeb 5 kilo chawal chahiye, okay. Around 5 kilograms of or pounds of something is needed. Koi is, as Christine ji mentioned, is about or some, okay. You use it when it's not important to talk about the exact number, okay. When you want to really talk about, to casually mention it about 20 cars were there, or about 20 people came, okay. The distinction will become more clear as we do more examples. So what I'll do is I'm going to ask some of you to repeat after me or read it out, and then try to make sense of it, why they have been written differently. So, and lagbhag 100 rupaye, right? I mean, lagbhag 100 rupaye, tel, let's say you want to give the oil price, okay, 1 liter lagbhag 100 rupaye ka aayega, right? I mean, so you want to give some approximation there. Okay, wonderful. You want to make small sentences using these phrases, kareeb 2 kilo, or kareeb 2 kilometer, or kareeb 40 degree. Okay, आज का तापमान, let's say you want to talk about the temperature, so आज का तापमान और आज का temperature लगभग 40 डिग्री है. Very good, right? Grocery shop, और ये दुकान यहाँ से लगभग, और यहाँ से करीब 2 किलोमीटर दूर है. Okay, okay, let's do the last one. I asked you to say there were about 20 seats empty in the bus. Yeah, you can say empty thi or khali thi. Okay, so I'm going to write it down. बस में कोई 15 seats खाली empty थी. Okay, खाली थी. बस में कोई 15 seats खाली थी. Now you want to say about 20 people came to the party. How will you say that? Very good. Party में कोई 20 लोग आए. Okay, party में कोई 20 लोग आए. Very good. So we'll get going now. We'll do a short quiz, and I want all of you, I'll give you some time, all of you to read it out. There is no right or wrong. You can use either of all of them options interchangeably, but at least I want to think about before you use any of them, whether you want to be sort of vague about the approximation, whether you want to be more formal or less formal about it, and then you can do it. So I wrote it down. I'm going to give you a couple of minutes, all of you, and then we'll regroup to discuss them.